Yeah, and the short answer is, right, we don't know if someone else is vaccinated. There's an issue of trust there as well. But for folks choosing not to get the shot still, the FBI says think very carefully before you fake one of those cards.
Normal may feel relative when considering the last year of pandemic restrictions, but things are looking a lot closer to it lately. With news today from the CDC and state that masks will no longer be required in most situations for fully vaccinated people, that trend continues.
That shot is a ticket to freedom.
But federal officials are warning faking that ticket carries consequences. The FBI says in the race to reopen, avoid fake vaccine cards.
So this is actually a federal crime. It's called misuse of a government seal. And it comes with potential prison time and or fines.
And there could be other consequences too.
But we really...
So did she just state that there can be charges of federal imprisonment because of the use of a vaccine card if we're not truly vaccinated? Well, first and foremost, we have what is known as the HIPPA Privacy Act, which is a right to privacy of our medical information. So no need to carry a card if you're not vaccinated or if you are vaccinated. And second, a mandate is not a law. So you don't have to wear your masks if you don't want to wear your masks. And for Inslee to say vaccine is the opportunity for freedom, yeah, right.
I want to stress, do not buy these cards. Do not sell these cards. Do not print them out online. Because when you are unvaccinated and you're using a fake card, you're really putting yourself as the unvaccinated person at risk.
Which is why state officials are urging people to get vaccinated, though Inslee said there are no plans to make folks prove it, at least at a state level.
We are not intending to create a state licensing system for vaccinations. And businesses will have the discretion on how they handle their operations in that regard.
So again, faking one of those cards can carry fines or up to 5 years in prison under federal law. And Inslee said as of today, we're shooting for that 70% of people above the age of 16 that can help speed reopening when they're getting vaccinated. As of today, 57% have that first dose, almost 44% are fully vaccinated. So still a ways to go there.
Now keep in mind, the sound of a sheep is bah. And second, remember, a federal law exists that is called the HIPAA Privacy Act of Medical Information. So there is no need to forge or print a fake card that you've been vaccinated, when in fact, whether you have been or you have not, you are not required by law to expose your medical records, nor are you required to wear a mask, as it is a mandate and not a legal requirement.